Not all online meetings are created equal. Schedules, meeting content, and who's presenting all factor into what type of gathering you need. Calendly Teams takes all of these factors into account, and then some. If you have to set up a multi-person meeting, use Calendly Team Meetings. With the tool, you'll get to pick from 3 meeting types: round robin, collective, and group. In this tutorial, we'll look at each of these meeting types in Calendly Teams and what they're best used for. More and more teams have members that work all over the world. That means you need to split up work across multiple time zones. If you want to ensure your meetings are distributed based on availability, use the power of round robin. This meeting type is all about providing balance, but it's for more than just collaboration across time zones. Round robin is a great way to allow for many possible hosts within your team and allow some of your junior stars time to shine. Once set up, Calendly does all the hard work of routing these events for you. To get started, select Create next to Round Robin when you set up a team event. Then add your team members. From here, you can name your event type and choose your event color. You'll need to set up Round Robin distribution within the Host and Location box. You'll see 2 options: Optimize for availability and Optimize for equal distribution. Assigning meetings based on availability will help balance your workload. Equal distribution will keep every team member with a similar number of meetings. If balance is what you're after in your team meetings, Round Robin is right for you. If you're less worried about distributing meetings across time zones and would like to set a meeting time that works for everyone, use collective meetings with Calendly. It's the easiest way to let Calendly coordinate a time for multiple schedules. In order to use collective meetings, each team member must set their availability in their personal settings. From there, Calendly will suggest times based on what times overlap. There are a few types of meetings that work great with Calendly's collective meetings. Panel interviews with candidates, working through technical issues, and collaborative project reviews are all suited to this event type. When it's time to host meetings with multiple invitees, it's time to choose group meetings from Calendly. This event type is perfect for hosting one-to-many trainings, like webinars, large-scale training sessions, and company events like town halls. While setting up your group meeting, check out the max invitees in a spot option. It's a great way to set limits on how many people can enter the meeting. This is useful if you want to open up the floor and address questions one-on-one with participants. Like other Calendly event types, you'll have multiple options for selecting schedules. Choose between use an existing schedule and set custom hours to find the perfect time block for your meeting. Once set up, keep an eye out for bookings. You've now seen the power in knowing how to use the different event types in Calendly Teams. Not only can you remove the friction that comes with scheduling, but you can also create meetings that are best suited for your needs. To see the full power of Calendly, head to the link in the description and try the scheduling platform for yourself.